Good morning, student. Today we will learn subject mathematics for standard 3rd. Chapter number 7, measurement. What is measurement? Measurement is finding a number that shows the size or amount of something. We can measure the length, weight and capacity. Now we will see measuring length. Tai told Nandu and Sonu to measure the length of the table. Nandu, the length of this table is 11 spans of my hand. Sonu, the length of the table measures 12 spans of my hand. Nandu and Sonu use their hand spans. Early time people use the part of body for measuring length like hand spans. What is mean by handspan? Handspan is the distance from the tip of the little finger to the tip of the thumb of an outstretched hand. So, Nandu and Sonu both are used their handspan. But there is a difference in their measurement. Why? Because Nandu's hand is bigger than Sonu's hand. After that, Tai give them 2 paper strips of equal length to measure this length. Nandu, the length of the table is 9 of this strip. Sonu, when I measure it, it was 9 strip 2. The both measurement are same. Why? Because Nandu and Sonu both are used paper strips of equal length. That's why these 2 measurement are same. And Tai used paper strip to measure piece of chalk. Tony, let's fold the strip 3 times and get 8 equal parts. Salma, I will place the chalk along the paper strip. This chalk is equal in length to 5 of this small part. Look, in this picture, paper strip is folded 3 times and get 8 equal parts. Now we have to measure the length of the chalk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The length of the chalk is equal to 5 part of this strip. Now look, in this picture, Nandu and Tony try to measure the distance between the 2 posts of the main gate. Nandu, now shall we use these strips to measure this distance between the 2 posts of the main gate? Salma, no, these strips is too short. Tai, I have a long string. Let's use that. Nandu, yes, let's use the string to measure the distance between the gate post. Tony, the distance between the gate post is equal to 3 strings. Tai, it is easier to measure a great distance using something of greater length and to measure shorter lengths. It is easier to use shorter things. You have seen that for yourself, haven't you? Here, picture of 2 measuring tape is given. For long distance, like distance between 2 gates, we will use meter scale or meter tape. And for shorter things or small object like pencil, book, pen, we use centimeter scale. A sheet of cloth must measure the same, no matter who measure it. That is why a long metal scale is used to measure cloths in a cloth shop. In cloth shop, long metal scale is used to measure cloths. This scale is 1 meter long. The meter is a standard unit which is used for measuring length. Measuring length, meter is a standard unit. If we divide a meter into 100 equal parts, each part is called a centimeter. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. To measure longer distance, like distance between 2 buildings, width of road, we use meter scale or we use strings. But for shorter distance or small things, we use centimeter scale. On the scale 1, 2, 3 up to 15, this number shows centimeter. And between 2 big marking, there are smaller marking. They shows unit of length smaller than centimeters. Meter, centimeter. A meter is 100 times as long as centimeter. That means 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. We use the standard unit meter to measure bigger distance. This meter scale is used to measure bigger distances. In the table, write whether you will measure the following lengths distance in centimeter or meters. Length of a pencil. Length of a pencil is measured in centimeters. Distance between two buildings. Distance between two buildings is bigger. That's why it is measured in meter. Width of a road. Width of a road is also measured in meter. Length of your notebook. Length of your notebook is measured in centimeter. Length of a mobile phone is measured in centimeter. Distance between two poles is measured in meter. Measure the following distances in the standard unit. Get your friend to do so too. Compare your observation and measure again if there is a difference. Length of the school compound wall. Length of the school compound wall is measured in meter. Length of a newspaper is measured in centimeter. Length of the veranda is measured in meter. Length of a book measured in centimeter. Length of a table is measured in meter. Height of a table above the floor is measured in meter. Find out the length of the following things: a sari, a dupatta, cloth required to make father's shirt, a towel, a handkerchief. A sari is measured in meter. A dupatta is measured in meter. Cloth required to make father's shirt is measured in meter. Towel also measured in meter. A handkerchief. Handkerchief is measured in meter or centimeter also. So this is homework for you. Find out the length of these things and write down. Okay student, we stop here. Remaining part of this lesson we will see in next lecture. Thank you.